Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026. Whether you're a hobbyist making miniatures, a designer prototyping models, or a professional building complex projects, there's a printer here for you. 2026 is bringing amazing upgrades in speed, AI monitoring, and multicolor printing, and we're going to break down the features, performance, and real-world usability of each printer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which printer fits your needs and budget. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So, let's get started. Number 1. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. The K1 Max is all about speed and efficiency. Imagine printing a 300mm sized model in record time without compromising on detail. Its dual cooling system keeps filaments stable even at high speeds, and the AI functions help detect and correct errors automatically. If you're into creating functional prototypes or large-scale prints, this printer is a beast. Max speed, 600 millimeters per second. Dual cooling, smart AI function, auto leveling, out-of-the-box setup. Build volume, 300 by 300 by 300 millimeters. Ideal for pros and hobbyists. Pros: huge build volume, fast printing speed, smart AI and auto leveling, ready out of the box. Cons: can be bulky for small desks. High-speed printing can be noisy. For best results, make sure your desk can support the K1 Max and consider using a sound dampening enclosure if you're printing overnight. Number 2. Creality K2 Pro A. If you're experimenting with multicolor prints, the K2 Pro is amazing. It comes fully assembled, so you can start printing immediately. Dual AI cameras allow you to monitor progress remotely. Great if you're juggling multiple projects. I tested a multicolor figurine on this printer, and the precision and color separation were incredible. Definitely one of the top choices for hobbyists who want that extra flair. Max speed, 600 millimeters per second. Dual AI camera, auto leveling, fully assembled, multicolor printing, CFS. Build volume, 300 by 300 by 300 millimeters. Ideal for pros and hobbyists. Pros: supports multicolor printing. Fully assembled, large print area, AI cameras for monitoring. Cons: slightly more expensive. Needs space for multicolor printing setup. Use high-quality filament for the best multicolor results. It really makes the details pop. Number 3. QIDI Q2 3D Printer. The QIDI Q2 is ideal for home use and safety-conscious users. The enclosed chamber keeps temperatures consistent and reduces warping. Ultra air filtration ensures you're not inhaling plastic fumes. I printed a detailed model overnight. The enclosure and filtration made it worry-free and clean. Max speed, 600 millimeters per second. Enclosed FDM, 65 degrees heated chamber. Ultra air filtration, AI camera, full auto leveling. Build volume, 270 by 270 by 256 millimeters. Ideal for beginners to experts. Pros: safe enclosed design. Heated chamber for high-quality prints. Ultra air filtration, AI monitoring, and auto leveling. Cons: slightly smaller build volume, slower for massive projects. Perfect for beginners. You won't need to tweak settings constantly thanks to the auto leveling. Number 4. Creality K2 SE Combo. The K2 SE Combo is a compact and durable option. Its metal frame keeps prints precise even at high speeds. While smaller than the K1 or K2 Pro, it's perfect for hobbyists with limited desk space. Max speed, 500 millimeters per second. Smart auto leveling, solid metal frame, fully assembled, next-gen extruder. Build volume, 222 by 115 by 245 millimeters. Supports multicolor printing, CFS. Pros: durable metal build, smart auto leveling, compact footprint, multicolor printing support. Cons: smaller build volume, slower for large-scale prints. This is ideal for users who want reliability without sacrificing desk space. Number 5. Creality K2 Plus Combo. The K2 Plus combo combines everything: speed, precision, and multicolor capability. Dual AI cameras make monitoring huge prints easy, and the direct drive extruder ensures smooth filament flow. I printed a large prototype model on this printer, and it came out perfectly detailed, even with complex overhangs. Max speed, 600 millimeters per second. Multicolor printing, CFS, full auto leveling, dual AI camera, next-gen direct drive extruder. Build volume 13.78 by 13.78 by 13.78 inches, around 350 millimeter cubed. Pros: large build volume, dual AI cameras, fast and precise, great for pros. Cons: needs a dedicated workspace. Use this for professional or serious hobbyist projects. It handles multicolor printing like a champ. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more 2026 tech reviews. Check the links in the description to grab your favorite 3D printer today. And comment below, which one would you choose? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.